All right, you are welcome to this class. So in today's class, I want to introduce Wealth College to you again in a different way. Now to start with, have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, you are still stuck, you are exhausted, overwhelmed, and the weight of your dreams feels like a mountain you can't climb anymore? The crushing debt, the endless 9 to 5 grind, the job insecurity, the fear of tomorrow, all of these things are before your very eyes. I am Akborode Jimmy of Wealth College. If you have ever felt this pain, you are not alone. That is why I am here introducing to you Wealth College, just to guide you out of this pain. All right. So at Wealth College, we don't just teach you how to make more money with what you have. That is value monetization. But we transform your mindset, your habits, and your entire life. Imagine waking up each morning, feel excited knowing exactly what steps to take to grow your wealth and be financially free. Having confidence in your skills, be surrounded by a community that loves and cares for you. That is what Wealth College delivers. So at Wealth College, there are different ways we provide solutions to different problems. Basically, for creative individuals and 9 to 5 professionals just like you. So the first we do is mindset renewal, is to provide solution, you know, to mindset renewal, because you must keep renewing your mind to transform your life. Why? Everything starts in the mind. And so we guide you through powerful exercises, our digital products, to break these limiting beliefs and install in your mind a success driven mindset. Okay, because where you are right now is as a result of your previous decisions based on your mindset. And so, for you to break loose and move to the next level of your life, you need to renew your mind to have a different set of mindset that will take you to the new level you envision. Now, how do we obtain these results, or how do we provide this solution of mindset renewal? Very simple. So the first thing we do is to guide you through what we call daily mindset rituals. It is a simple morning routine that prime you for success each day, beginning from that day. And that is why it is called simple morning routine ritual. Okay, so the next thing we do is what is called or what we called limiting belief audit. This is where we scan through your mind to find out those beliefs that hold you back, those beliefs that has been holding you back from your dream. We identify them and eliminate those thoughts that hold you back from your dream. So the next thing we do to make sure we provide solution with respect to mindset renewal is what we call vision casting workshops. Very simple. This is where we guide you how to craft a compelling future that you can't wait to live. Very compelling future. So the next set of solution we provide at Wealth College is value transformation and marketing mastering. Very, very important. Value transformation and marketing mastering. First, we help you discover and package your unique skill, your unique talent, your unique value, into a valuable offer that people can pay for. And also, we then teach you how to attract the right audience that are willing and can pay for these offers. Okay, so how do we achieve this? First, value transformation. We achieve this through what is called skill mapping. Very simple, skill mapping. So here we guide you to uncover your hidden strengths that can be monetized. Okay, there are so many strengths, there are so many skills, so many experiences and expertise within you that can be harnessed, to make money with. So this is where we map, your skill to uncover, to discover that which you can make money with. So the next thing we do in providing solution for value transformation is what we called um, offer engineering. Very important. Offer engineering. Here we create irresistible packages that solve real problems for people through the guidance of our teachings, our digital products, and our presence. Very important. And again, the next thing we do here is pricing psychology by positioning your value so that clients can pay for it. Because one thing is to have a product, another thing is for that product to be put into the market for people to be aware of. Another most important thing is sales, how you can get buyers to buy into that ideas and be part of your dream. We do all of these things at Wealth College. So on marketing mastering, one thing is if you can't market, you cannot be known. You may have been able to develop a very fantastic product, a very wonderful service, but if you can't speak up about it, if you can't tell it to the world that this is what you now have, nobody will be aware of it. So, on marketing mastering, we achieve this in many ways, one of which is audience avatar. First of all, we pinpoint exactly who needs your product. Who are those people, within the society that are in need of what you do? We find out this. The next thing we do is content blueprint. We do this by consistent, high impact messaging across all your platforms. We assist you to do all of these things. Okay. So the next one is traffic systems. In traffic system, it could be organic or paid strategies that draw people, not just people, customers that can buy from you over and over again. So another solution we provide at Wealth College is sales mastering and offer delivering. Like I told you, after marketing, the next thing you need to do is sales. Now you have spoken up about your product, about your service. People are now coming in to, really find out what it is. What are the solutions embedded in it? So this is the point you sell to them. So we provide solution for sales mastering and offer delivery with your offers well punished and your audience primed. The next step is converting interest into income without stress. So how we provide solution to sales mastering? The first thing we do is what we call conversational selling. We do what is called conversational selling. It's a natural dialogue that leads to the customer or the client saying yes to your offer. Conversational selling. So the next thing we do is objection handling. Objection handling, very simple. In this, we turn skeptics into believers through convincing conversational selling. Now, lastly, we do what is called closing frameworks. At this point, we adopt what is called ethical high conversion pitches. Very, very simple. All right. So the next one is how we provide solution for delivering, seamless delivery. So the first thing we do in this vein is onboarding excellence. Onboarding excellence. How we can provide that moment of wow to our clients from the very first day, from the beginning. So we guide you on how you can provide that wow, moment for your clients from the very first day. All right. So again, we do what is called support system. So by support system, we build trust with real-time feedback and Q&A. Another solution we provide at Wealth College is money management and process auditing. More income is great, but if you don't manage it wisely, it slips through your fingers. In other words, there is there is the hunger to make more money, to make more income. Another most important thing is how this income can be managed and grown again. If you can't do this as the money is coming in, it will be going out in different ways if you don't have money management skills. So we give you tools to lock in your gains and scale safely. So how do we obtain these results of money management? The first thing we do is what we called budget mastering. Budget mastering. So we take control of every unit of currency that comes into your hands. In other words, we guide you how you can take control of every unit of currency that comes into your hand. All right. So the next thing we do is is um, debt elimination strategies. How you can be free, from high interest burdens. How you can pay off your disturbing debts so you can be free, and have rest of mind, a settled mind to run a clear and target budget that will help you to manage your money. Very, very simple. So, the next thing we do is what we call profit allocation blueprint. How you can reinvest smartly for exponential growth. This is where we build wealth. Okay, so the next solution, or how we provide solution for process auditing, is first off we do what is called efficiency checklist. We carry out an exercise with efficiency checklist. What we do here is to first of all identify and cut wasteful steps that didn't add up in the process of your wealth creation. Any wasteful step that is not adding up in the process of you creating your financial freedom, we try and see how we can cut it off because it's a wasteful step. So the next thing is to do what we call the automation roadmap to help free up your time with tech and systems to work for you even when you are not physically present. This is very important so you can have um, time for other more important things. Okay, so the next thing we do um, in providing solution for process auditing is accountability metrics. By accountability metrics, we have to track what matters, and then we tweak what doesn't for a fit for purpose um, system. All right. So the next set of solutions we provide at Wealth College is sustainability and savings and investment. Sustainability, savings, and investment. Because true wealth is not a sprint, it is a marathon. It takes time. Creation of wealth is not something that happens overnight, it takes time. And so we help you build income streams that last generations. Do you understand that? So, how do we provide solution for sustainability? The first thing we do is called eco-friendly growth model. Eco-friendly growth models. So it's a kind of business that we help you to build. So here we build businesses that leave a positive mark over time. All right. The next thing is what we call community and collaboration. So we guide you on how to partner with peers for long-term profit, for long-term wins. Very, very important. So the last one here on how we provide solution for sustainability is legacy planning. This is very important. So on legacy planning, we teach you and guide you how you can pass on your newfound freedom to your loved ones so that it doesn't end with you. Very important. Okay, so when it comes to savings and investment, how do we provide solution for these savings and investment? We do this in different ways as well. So the first thing we do here is what we call emergency fund blueprint. Emergency fund blueprint. Remember, we're talking about savings before investment. On savings and investment, we provide solutions in different ways. So the first one is what we call the emergency fund blueprint. By this, we guide you how to save wisely, for the rainy day, how to save wisely, to invest after a while. Then after that, another step again we take, to ensure that you save and you invest is what is called investment fundamentals. So by this, we guide you through different investment opportunities. For instance, if you are interested, you can invest your savings into stocks, you can invest into real estate, you can invest into digital assets, and many more. You can even invest into cryptocurrency. All of these are different investment opportunities. So you can see that at Wealth College, there are a whole lot of solutions we provide to different problems facing creative individuals and 9 to 5 professionals just like you. One more thing before you leave, do well to be part of this platform. Invite your friends, also share this video, and also let your friends and loved ones know about this and be part of this platform, Wealth College, to also benefit from all of these things you have been exposed to. Thank you once again for your time.